Hi folks, I'm Diana
And this is Karen.
and we're really excited to be participating in this virtual Juneteenth celebration. So what we've done is we are actually going to make a mango chow, which is a very popular snack in Trinidad and Tobago, and we'll show you how to do that using some of our Camella's kitchen products. Just so you know, we'll be using our Trini hot pepper sauce because we're Trini and we love hot pepper sauce. We'll be using our island herb blend to add a nice fresh herb flavor to our mangoes. Trust us, you'll love making this as a snack for the summer. We enjoy it, and it's really popular during mango season in Trinidad, and we know that you'll enjoy it too. So let's get started on making it.
Let's get started. So I have, this is 3 mangoes that has been washed and cut into bite-size
Pieces.
I have some cilantro and fresh minced garlic, which I'm going to put into it. So the next thing I'm going to put in the mango chow is island herb blend, our own island herb blend. I have our own Trini hot pepper sauce and some lime juice. Here I pour it into the bowl, and the last thing I'm going to put here is some salt.
So we just added in some salt here, and really we recommend that you put to taste, so you don't put too much or too little. You can just make it just right for yourself. So we're adding in salt.
So I'm going to mix it up using a spoon. Gotta mix it up nicely. Make sure that the seasoning is distributed evenly on this. And another thing I can let you know, you can also put this in the refrigerator. It tastes very good when it is chilled, and you can sit down and enjoy this while you are looking at your favorite TV shows or just relaxing, enjoying a very nice spicy fruit. So here it is, folks.
Yeah, so as you can see, it was really easy to make, and it's really delicious. The pepper sauce adds a nice spiciness, while the green seasoning adds a really fresh flavor with the herbs that we have. So here is the mango, and it's pretty easy. So we're actually going to try some here. So I'll try some.
Okay, I'm going to try this.
And it's so delicious.
So delicious. It's so spicy. Very tasty. And that's it, folks. Very simple to make.